Hello, welcome. This is for our landlords and landladies and even the tenants that have been going for a rental. So we have question on commission. This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. Mr. Amuzu sold his car, in this case a car, but we are taking it as what? Rental of a house, as through an agent who charged 9% commission on the selling price. So if Mr. Amuzu received 336,600 Ghana cedis after the sales, find the selling price of the car. We want to find out how much did the agent sold the car and how much commission did the agent receive with the 9%. Then how much is coming to Amuzu is being given unto us. So let's leave the amount and focus on the percentage. If the agent is charging 9% commission in selling your car, it means that after selling the car, no matter the price, you will not be getting the 100% of the amount. You get it? You are not there. You are just giving the car out. He will go and do the bargaining. Whatever price that the buyer will give, you will not get the 100%. You'll be getting 100 minus the 9%. So the percentage of money coming to you is going to be 100 minus 9, which is 91%. And that 91% is the one giving you the 236. So we can say from here that Amuzu percentage is going to be 100 minus 9. And that will be giving us what? 91%. So this 91% is the one giving us this is on the commission. So we can say that if 91% is producing an amount of 236,600, then what the selling price will have been, which is the 100%, is supposed to give us more than this amount. So if more, between the two, let's divide, meaning let's, as in 100 divided by 91 times 236,600. Because of space, I've taken the symbol out. So now we are going to multiply this together, as in 100 times this divided by 91, or 91 dividing this times the 100. And doing that on your calculator, you should be having 260,000 Ghana cedis. So this is what the buyer pays, and the agent removed his commission from, and we are left with this. All right, this is just one leg of the approach we can pick. We can also pick the amount we are looking for as what? X. So if X is what you are looking for, then 9% of X will give you the commission. Do you get that? 9% of the X give you the commission. So that commission will be taken from the X, and that will be equal to this. You find the X, you find the selling price. You can try that in the comment section and leave us your thought in there. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.